Thank you. My boon's still up. That's good. Babysitter. Oh. So I get, I think, speed and like I don't bleed, I think, right? Something like that. What a cute perk to have on. That is so sweet. Thank you. Oh my god, I love him. Shall I do this, Jen? No, Robin, no. Pick up straight away, he does. Okay. When you see if he comes back, I can just go to Shaq. Oh, would you? Oh, back. Oh no, he wants Ash. Oh, main event. Let's try this one. I think we need one of these two done. Where is he? Oh shit. He right there. I don't want Christmas to end. I want to wear this forever. So fucking cute. Maybe they should just make a regular version. I would wear the shit out of that. Jane in a little skirt is just delicious. Ashley is kind of cracked right now. He's doing amazing. We must have Jen. Yay. I want to do this one. Wait. I'll leave that up. I'll go do the other one. You just waste time. Another one. Ooh. Okay, he reloads. I can make it to this pallet. Nah, he doesn't care. Okay. Oh, maybe? No, he doesn't. Okay. Go back to Jen then. Ooh. Nope. Don't make that. Ah. Them scourgies. He's coming. Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry. No, Robin, no! Oh, shit. Damn. Is Ashley still around? He's not. Oh, the unhook. No! I really didn't want to use the pallet. You finished your cleaning, Crit? Oops. Do you feel so good? Do you feel productive? kind of just got Robin murdered. Robin. I didn't realize there was a Jen and Shaq. Also, I started running exponential, and now all the slugging killers have gone into hiding. But I bet if I take it off, we're gonna get one again. You finished cleaning long ago, but my mom had to drag me out of the house into the heat. Oh, to go shopping. Ew. Yuck. Is it really warm for you today? But productive? No. You just had to do an errand. That's productive. Errands are productive. Alright, let's go find Jen. Robin, come to Shack. Come to Shack, my love. It's bad. I wanted to take my shoes off. And I'm not a jandal. Jandal? Sky? What's a jandal? Jogger sandal? I'm just gonna keep rotating. Sandals, yeah. Oh, you could get some cute, like, Birkenstocks or something. They could be cute. Let me get some progress, and then I'll block this off. Hold on. Where's the third gen? We need to start that too. Alright. No, 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 no. What are you doing, sir? You need to come for me. Oh no, Robin's here. No! Fuck. Oh! I'm cooked. I'm actually cooked. I'm actually cooked. Oh, he swung. He swung. He swung. Oh my god, please get Robin up. I'll take myself. I'll take myself. I'll take myself. Go, 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 Robin. Go, go, go. Run. I did, but I could play some more in a bit. Not locked into one game in particular.